Good morning, dear student. In our grammar, our fifth chapter's name is noun possession here. So, what is noun possession? The definition is given here. We can say that here noun possession is used to show belonging or relation here. It means noun possession is used to show belonging or relation here. It means that particular things, if we have the particular thing, so it is so the ownership of something. The particular things like car is there, so we can ask whose car is this. So we speak here the names of that particular person. Like this is Raj cars, whose school is this. So we can say that this is girls school here. So it is to the ownership or belonging here. So we can say that this is my book. Suppose in a classroom we find any book, so we ask generally whose book is this. So we can simply give the answer, this is Ria's book. So here books show the relationship with the Ria here. Whose bicycle is this? So we can say that this is Joy's bicycle. So here the bicycle show the relation with Joy. So here same as here noun possession show the relationship with particular things here. Whose house is this? So we can say that it is Mr. Sharma's house. So the house show the relationship with the Mr. Sharma here. We see the example here. First given here, this is my uncle's house. So here the house shows the relationship with uncle, and for that we need the use of apostrophe s to show the noun possession here. To show the noun possession we need the help of here apostrophe s. Then second example, these are teacher's book. So the book show the relationship with the teachers here. And remember it carefully, if the noun is in plural, so we have to put the symbol apostrophe after s. And the noun is singular, then we have to put first apostrophe, then s here. Third example, that is a bird's nest. So birds is given here singular. So we have to put apostrophe first, then s, then. So apostrophe s we require here. So here nest show the relationship with the birds here. Those are poor's hut. So poor people. We are talking about plural poors is given here. So s is here, then we have to add simply apostrophe, the symbol of apostrophe after plural noun. Then the king's palace is big. So here we are talking about one singular noun, that is king. So we have to put after king apostrophe s we have to apply here. Then sixth example, the deer's legs are slender. Here the noun is given here plural, but the plural noun of deer remains the deer. So we have to apply here apostrophe s after noun deer here. So we can say that the deer's legs are slender. So here the legs show the relationship with the deer here. The children's meal is not spicy. Here children is a plural word. Child change into children in a plural, but s is not come. The s is not come in a plural noun. So such a noun we have to apply apostrophe s after plural noun. So our answer is the children's meal is not spicy. So here the meal show the relationship with the children. Here we are talking about the meal of children here. Then next given here, notes is given here. We use apostrophe s with the singular noun. We use apostrophe s with the singular noun here. The first example is given. We can say that a bicycle of a girl. So what we have to do? We have to write a girl first, then apostrophe s a girl's bicycle. So here bicycle show the relationship with girl. So our answer is a girl's bicycle. We have to write apostrophe s after girls. Then a car of the police. So our answer is the police. Then apostrophe s. Then car. So here car show the relationship with the police. It is particular. The ownership of the car is police here. Then third example is given the cap of Rohit. So we can say that Rohit's cap. We have to write apostrophe s after singular noun. Then fourth example is given here a book of Mohan. A book of Mohan. So what our answer is? We have to write Mohan, then apostrophe s Mohan's book. So book show the relationship with Mohan. The beak of a parrot. We are talking about beak of parrot. So in simply we can say that a parrot's beak. So we have to apply here apostrophe s after parrots. Then our answer is a parrot's beak here. Then sixth example is given here a feather of peacock here. A feathers of peacock. So simply our answer is a peacock's feathers. I am talking about peacock's feathers. So peacock is given here singular. So we have to apply apostrophe s after peacock. Then the shop of a barber. So our answer is a barber. Then apostrophe s because barber is singular noun. Then we have to apply apostrophe s. Then we have to write shop. Simply we can say that a barber's shop. We should not need here to speak here the shop of a barber. We simply speak here. Then a sari of a woman. So a woman is singular noun is given. Then we have to apply apostrophe here. Then we have to write sari here. Then milk of the cow. Milk of the cow. So we have to write the cow, then apostrophe s, then milk. So simply we can say that the cow's milk. We are talking about milk of cow. So here show the relationship milk with the cow. A bike of a boy. So we have to write a boy, then apostrophe s, then bike. So a boy's bike here is our answer here. Then another is given here. Another rules is given. We see here. We use plural noun. We use apostrophe s in a plural noun. It means we use apostrophe with plural noun. If noun is in plural, so s is already given in a plural noun. If we apply s in a singular noun, then singular noun change into plural noun. So we must not require here to write here apostrophe s, but simply we have to write the symbol of apostrophe. We see the example here, the schools of girls. So our answer is the girls. If we apply here s is already given, so then require only symbol of apostrophe. The girls schools. In short we can say that the girls is plural noun, so we have to apply here only apostrophe as symbol, only apostrophe. The feathers of the birds. Birds is plural noun, so we have to simply added only symbol here, not apostrophe s. So we can say that the birds, then apostrophe symbol, then feather. The birds feather. The tails of the monkeys. Monkeys is plural noun is given. So simply we have to added symbol of apostrophe, then tails. It means the monkey's tail here. The bag of the students. Students is plural. Then we have to simply added only symbol, then bag. It means the student's bag here. Then fifth example is given here. The puppies of the dog. The puppies of the dog. Simply we can say that the dogs, then apostrophe, then puppy. It means the dog's puppy. The branches of the trees. The trees is in plural given here and s is already there. So we have to simply added only the apostrophe only. Don't add it here apostrophe s. The noun is in a plural and s is given here in a plural noun. Then we have to simply added only apostrophe, the symbol of apostrophe. It means our answer is the trees apostrophe then branches. The trees branches here. Then we can say that Here another example is given here. 7 example we see here. The dresses of the girls here. The dresses of the girls. Look, the girls is in plural. The girls is in plural. So simply we have to edit the symbol of apostrophe. Our answer is the girls S is given. Then we have to simply edit the symbol. The girls dresses. The shoes of the boys. The shoes of the boys here. So boys is plural. So our answer is the boys, then apostrophe symbol only, then boys. The boys' shoes. The ears of the mice. The mice is a plural noun. The mice is plural noun. So if we do the plural, mouse change into mice in plural. If we change here my mouse into mice, but s is not given in a plural noun. So in a such a cases we have to add apostrophe s. If the noun is in plural but s is not comes in a plural noun, in such cases we have to add apostrophe s in a plural noun. So our answer is the mice ears here. Then 10th example is also such a way like the horns of the deer. The horns of the deer is given, so that the deers is in a plural noun, but s is not come here. The s is not come in a plural deer because deer remains the plural deer here, no change in deer. So we have to apply simple apostrophe s after deer. So deer's horn here. Then the houses of the men. The men's house. If man, man is a singular noun and man, man change into man, man in a plural noun, so our answer is the man, man. The man, then plural, it means s is not come in a plural noun man, man. So we have to add apostrophe s after plural man, man. Then our answer is the man's house is here. So remember it carefully here. The important notes is given here. So we don't use apostrophe with a non-living thing. We cannot use apostrophe s. We cannot use apostrophe with a non-living thing. It is apostrophe s is used with the living things only. It means, remember it carefully, we cannot say that the table's leg, the car's wheel, that is wrong. The car's wheels, we cannot say that here, right? So we can use only apostrophe with the living things only, right? So remember it carefully. We don't use any apostrophe with the non-living thing. And the apostrophe is used to show possession is called apostrophe. It means the apostrophe is used to show possession is called apostrophe. So we use here apostrophe for to show the belonging and our ownership here. So in short, we can say that something is important. Like we cannot use apostrophe with the non-living thing. Then we have to use apostrophe h with the singular noun, and we have to use only apostrophe, the symbol of apostrophe with the plural noun. Okay, thank you.